everyone, Cheryl here today, just to share some storage on the SVG files once they're put together. And so the way I store them is in these little totes, and I actually store all my stamps and dies in these as well in my cabinets. And so I used to store them in page protectors in binders, kind of like this one here. And then I would name it and put the name of the file. And so all of them are that. And that worked well for a while, but once you are making a ton of them, that system no longer worked for me. So I needed to transfer over into how I store everything else in my cabinets. So I keep them in these little pouches, these little protector things, just like I do my dies. I keep my dies in them too. So this is the smaller one, and there's larger ones, but for the little files, I use the smaller. And so what I do is I label them like Cadoodlebug Designs. So all of these are from Cadoodlebug Designs, and this file is Nightly Kisses. So all three of these come from that one file. And so those are all the pieces. And then now sometimes, if you cut like 4 or 5 of them like I do, I will have like some left over in the tray. And if I'm moving on to another one, I may not have time where I want to put them all together. So I'll stick them in a little bag, and then I just stick them in the bag like that. And so you'll have your pieces when you need to do them. And then I just label them all by their name. And then if there's 2 in one, I put the one up at the top and the one at the bottom. And so these are all Valentine's. They're all done in the pink. And so once I'm done with Valentine's Day, I'm going to move this to the back. And then Easter will be for me next. And so I haven't worked on any Easter yet. And so once I'm done, same thing with Easter, I just rotate, and I keep rotating. And so all the holidays and summer and whatnot will come, and then move them as I'm done with them. And it's really an easy system to have. And so I hope you enjoyed seeing how I store my SVG paper pieces. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more storage videos, please do follow and let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by, and have a good day.